Here's the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. I'm going to show you 4 ways how you can restart or power off. So the first way is a 2-key combination. If you press and hold the volume down and the power button, volume down, power button, if you press and hold, it'll bring up the power off menu, okay? The same thing, it doesn't matter if it's closed too. Volume down, power button. Press and hold, and just hold it until the, volume down, power, ready, set, go. Press and hold and just wait for the power off menu to appear and you can power off or restart, okay? Now, another way that you can power off or restart, if you press and just hold the power button here, it's gonna activate Bixby here, okay? But we can do this, okay? Let's just go ahead and do volume down and power button again, volume down, power. And we're just gonna bring up the power off menu here. And then we have this down here, it says side key settings. That's basically for your power button. Okay, so if I tap on that, and then let me log in here. So once I power, so the side key, you can see by default it's Wake Bixby. Now we can put it down here, the power off menu, okay? Now, I mean, it doesn't matter if it's closed or not. Now if you just press and hold the power button, it's gonna go ahead and bring up the power off menu instead of bringing Bixby up. As you can see right there, you can power off or restart. Now another way to turn off or restart is you can go ahead and slide down notifications. If you slide down like this, and you go ahead and slide down one more time, when you slide down one more time, that power button is right there. Okay, you can tap on that, and you can power off or restart. Same thing if you have it open as well. Now another way to restart or power off is if you enable the assistive menu, which is this little floaty thing right here. It always stays in the foreground. If you go ahead and tap on that and you just slide over, tap on that and then slide over and look for power off menu. Just tap on that, power off menu, okay? And of course, even if you have the phone open here, you still got that right here as well, okay? You can power off right there, but you have to enable that, okay? So really quickly, how you enable that is just go to your settings, and then from your settings, you want to go to accessibility. So let's go down, accessibility is right here. Let's tap on that, and now we're going to go over here on the right, and we're going to tap on interaction and dexterity right there, and that assistant menu is right here. Okay, you see it right there. So if I toggle it off, it disappears. Turn off, it disappears. You want it back on, tap on allow, and boom, there it is. It always stays on the foreground. It doesn't matter, even if you close the phone, you'll have it right here as well. Now let me show you another way that you can actually restart the phone. Okay, you can restart the phone with a 2-key combination: volume down, power button. If you press and hold both buttons and do not let go until you see a Samsung logo appear. Once the Samsung logo appears, let go, and you just force it to restart. Okay, you typically want to do that if you can't shut down or turn off the normal way by bringing up the power off menu, or maybe your screen is frozen or unresponsive. Anyway, very simple. Doesn't matter if the phone is open or closed. We're going to press and hold the volume down and power button and keep on holding. Okay, we'll do it together. Volume down, power, ready, set, go. Press and hold both buttons. Don't worry about what's happening to the screen. Just continue to hold the volume down and power button and just wait until we see a Samsung logo appear. So still holding on both buttons here. Volume down and power. Still holding. Still holding. Where's that Samsung logo at? Come on. Still holding. Oh, it just vibrated. Samsung logo. Go ahead and let go. And you just forced it to restart. And there you go. Any questions or issues, just comment below.